So here we're going to do a demonstration of unplugging an underwater connector using a submersible robotic arm. You can see the connector here, and we're going to grab it on the orange handle right here. And when unplugging a web-mateable connector, it's important to pull out very straight and insert it very straight. So here you can, there's a video feed of how you would usually control a robotic arm. Now I'm going to switch to the BluHaptics visualization, which is a 3D visualization so you can actually rotate around the model. So to pick up a connector, the first step is to assign the virtual fixture. So I'm going to do that by aligning the virtual model with the physical model. So now those two objects are lined up. So I'll move the robotic arm to the top of this green line. I feel a magnetic-like force drawing me towards the line, and I can move down the line very easily, and the line draws me directly to the connector. Now we'll grab it. Now pull straight out along the line, then I can move away. Now to insert the connector, I'll do the same thing. I'll go to the top of the line. It draws me in, and then I will insert it along the line. It's in. I'll release and I can delete the fixture, then move straight away.